hydrogen peroxide. Sometimes, like if you want to clean a bobo and get the dirt and germs out, you put hydrogen peroxide on it. What did you pour in there, baby? Like what Mama washes dishes with? Sit on your seat. Sit on your seat. Sit on your seat. Yeah, she washed dishes with that.
I can't see.
What color is it?
It's blue.
Blue food color.
Yeast.
Yeast. Like when you make a roll, do you want a roll like this or do you want a roll like this?
This.
Yeah, or a biscuit. Sometimes you put yeast in bread
I didn't know that.
to make it rise up and soft. Oh, and that's going.
Yeah.
And then Miss Bonnie warm that up for you. You might even have enough more water to wash dishes with.
Mix the yeast with the peroxide. When that mixes together, it creates oxygen.
Oh, it's gonna make oxygen. Oxygen is what we breathe. Like do this. You just pull oxygen into your lungs so that you can breathe. He's gonna make some oxygen in there. How about that?
Y'all ready?
Yeah. Whoa! That's enough toothpaste for an elephant. It's so much, isn't it? Wow. That's very cool.
And you can see the blue.
You can see the blue. You can see some
Can
blue.
we touch it?
And it just keeps going.
Can we
It just
touch
keeps
it?
on going, like you're squeezing
Can we
that
touch
tube of
it?
toothpaste up. It
Can
just
we
keeps
touch
going.
it? I think it's red.
Yeah.
It's like a milk bag.
Oh my goodness. The blue is soap, that's all it is. So to let buccaneers come and touch, I don't think it's gonna hurt you. In fact, hydrogen peroxide might take germs off your hands. And the soap. Not gonna be germy little people. Yeah, just don't put it in your mouth. You can smell it. It really wouldn't hurt to put it in your mouth, actually. Except you don't want your mouth soapy, do you? Yeah.
I feel it. It's really hot.
It's hot?
Yeah, really.
Oh, the water was warm that we put in there. Yeah. Oh, wait now. Let's don't get all of it because the other kids have to have some too. All right, go to the bathroom. Touch. You can wash your hands with it. That would get the germs off. You could wash it with your hands. You leave it right there. Right. That? Who enjoyed that? I did. Tell Mylie thank you. Another day. Did you do something interesting in your life? You just come back another day for us. Thank you, Mr. God. We appreciate it.